Hello my loves, and welcome back to my channel. What's up, YouTube family? And if you're new, hello, thank you for tuning in. I just want to say thank you guys so much for 400 plus subscribers. You guys are so awesome, and I'm uploading this video today. Well, doing the voiceover today and uploading today. I did this video earlier in the week, and so we gained some more family members at Beauty Crew. So I'm so excited. I'm like, hey, let me know what you guys want me to do. If there's any tutorials you want to see, any certain designs, just let me know down below in the comment section, and we will get it poppin'. So for the set I'm doing today, I'm using the 123 Go gel system by Couture. And what I did first was etch out the inside with the drill, and I kind of filed down the other side, like where you can see like the apex by the cuticle, just so it's a little bit smoother. And then now I'm taking the Young Nails Protein Bond, and I'm gonna put Protein Bond in all of the cleaned, dusted nails. But you gotta make sure they're all etched out and all dusted. So after you have primed your tips that you're gonna be using, you're gonna go ahead and prime your nails next and add the foundation. I'm using the Beetles Foundation Base Gel. You can use any system. I'm not using Couture's full line. I'm gonna be using different products, but I've had these on for about a week now, and they haven't given me any issues. So I mean, if you can like find a product that works with other products that fit within your budget, then I'm all for it. So I'm taking that Orly builder in a bottle and this cute little flashlight. I actually got it off Amazon. It came in a pack of 3. I'll go ahead and link that down below, and everything will be down below, just so you guys have those links available to you. So just kind of a refresher, we put the foundation base gel on our natural nails, cured that, and now we're taking the builder gel, putting that in the well of the full cover nail. And you want to make sure that there are no air bubbles when you're placing it down, just because if you have any air bubbles, you risk like water when you're washing your hands getting in there and causing greenies, which are like little fungi, little guys. They're not like super bad or dangerous, but they're just really ugly. Like the dirt under my nails right now. I'm just kidding. No, it's paint. I was doing another set and I had all this like acrylic paint and gel all over that nail, and I was trying to get it out and I just didn't. And I was like, oh, let me film this before I look presentable. That's what I get. The size of these nails are the XXL in ballerina. I love them, y'all. Like, oof, they are so long. Yeah, they're long. You have to know how to work with them. You really have to be patient and realize, your nails are jewels, not tools. But it does take some getting used to, definitely. And yes, I am holding the UV little light in my mouth. I know Kira Sky, I think it's Kira Sky, that came out with the side lamp I've seen. So maybe I'll just invest in that lamp, because I don't know, it's kind of nifty. We'll see. But my little lamp works so cute. Look at it, it's pink. And then the pack comes with blue and green too. Next, I'm taking the pink by Elite 99. I'll go ahead and link that down below. I thought I showed the number. I'm so sorry about that. On top of thanking all of you for our 400 plus subscribers, I just want to say I hope you guys stay safe out there. It's a crazy world right now. Make sure you have toilet paper. No, I'm just kidding. No, just stay safe, you guys. Wash your hands, and if you don't need to go outside, don't go outside, you know? Crazy world we live in, y'all. Crazy world. We'll make it. But anyways, as you can see, I'm taking my little lamp and I'm just kind of securing and drying all of the edges, because I noticed in my UV lamp it's kind of hard to get all of the thumbnail and pinky nail. So I'm kind of just gonna start doing that from now on. And as a little bonus for you guys, it's not gonna be perfect, but it's supposed to be cute and fun. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys like this video, and if there's anything you guys want to see next, just let me know. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I hope you guys stay safe, and I hope you guys have a great week, and I love you, family. Bye.